explain you, this will be the GUI for the so-called RocCat Power-Grid Launcher. This is an example about how to build a grid. So what you can see over here is step number 1 is choose a control. So we choose the CPU info control. Step 2 will be edit control, which means you can have also certain attributes you can give to this, like width or high or the block size, basically. It could be also different things like how often do you need to check for mail, these kind of things, attributes. It builds in real time. It builds this kind of control, and you basically put this control, just place it over in the grid over here, and then you can check the grid if it's working. So if you want to control before you transfer to your iPhone. So these are these kind of controls we were talking about, but you can already check real time in your RocCat launcher if this is working or not. And if you say it's working, you just press server started and everything will be transmitted to your iPhone. So start the iPhone, go to the RocCat launcher app, and you can see over here, we can, how to say, vertically, you can this is vertically, you can vertically scroll through to the grids, but you can also horizontally scroll to the tabs. So this is like the incoming tab I was talking about. So as I said, if you only want to see Skype message, you just click on Skype. You can also like filter the whole messages if you don't want to have certain messages at all. Very easy. The system stats we were talking about. So the CPU is basically a little bit bored right now while doing nothing. You can see the net traffic coming in and out, the hard drive space we have, and also the timers we were talking about. So if you want to have a pizza timer, you just time it. See it's running down. The sound control. The first time it needs to ask for the pictures to build it up. And the final version, this is the developer version, the final version will be pushed directly to the flash memory of your smartphone, so there will be no refreshing at all. Only if there's like totally new graphics coming, it puts it one in the flash memory and makes sure that everything is in place. So let's play some music. The trailer. So if you want to go to the middle of the song, no problem. If you want to increase the volume, if you want to mute the volume, no problem.
It responds very quickly.
If you want to move to the next song, for example, just move to the next song. That's what I've been talking about, is this different kind of applications. So if you want to make Windows Media Player a little bit louder, just press it. You can see how it gets louder. Basically, we are fetching all information from the mixer. So if you have like, Steam, for example, running, just the lower button over here is a little bit up. And let's go to the system sounds. You can see the system sounds over here going up and down. So this is my sound control. Then I go to custom tabs, and something I want to show you is how to use it in the office environment. This is a custom grid, so Michael did this custom grid like yesterday, and he just wanted to show how fast it responds. Like start work with Microsoft Word, go to YouTube for example.
Yeah, that's great.
Press Google, go to Google, open my documents, open my computer, you see how responsive it is. I'll just lock my computer. This is everything you can do by yourself, but it only gets really funny if you can like use it in a game too. So I'm starting a game called Skyrim now. And for Skyrim we built our own custom grid, like a Skyrim custom grid. The Skyrim custom grids consists of the weapons you can choose. It consists of some things you always need, like inventory, maps, talent tree. It has a clock that you always know what time is it, just to make sure you don't play too much. It shows you your CPU, your memory, just to make sure the performance of your computer is good. So this is my character, and if I want to now move to sword, everything, I want to move to flames, I want to move to sparkles, I want to use a hero, so these kind of things. Or I just want to see what kind of quest I have next. Quest, my talent trees. I want to check the map. So you see the map. Or I'll just go to the inventory. Check my latest inventory. And you can all still monitoring the whole thing. So now you say, oh, it's a little bit boring only to use Skyrim. Why not just play some music in between? And now you decide, oh, music is a little bit loud. So what do I do with music? So you go to music. And you basically only change the volume of the music. And now you have all this game sounds again. Then you want to know how's my computer doing now when I run around, how's my CPU doing, how's my memory loading. So you can basically monitor everything easily done by that.